Post up, unraveling the phrase. Hey there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a colloquial English phrase that you might have heard in movies, songs, or even in casual conversations. That phrase is, post up. So, if you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it, stick around. Post up originates from sports, especially basketball. In basketball, when a player posts up, they position themselves close to the basket, usually with their back to an opponent, to try to get in a good spot to score. However, like many sports terms, it eventually found its way into everyday slang. In casual conversation, post up can mean to stand or hang out in a particular spot. For instance, if someone says, "We can post up at the coffee shop," it means, we can hang out at the coffee shop. It can also imply a sense of being ready for something or someone. Like, "I'm posted up waiting for the delivery guy," which translates to, "I'm ready and waiting for the delivery guy." To help you understand better, here are some examples. 1. Sports context. He's going to post up near the basket to try and score. 2. Casual hangout. After the movie, do you want to post up at my place for some snacks? 3. Ready and waiting. I've been posted up here for an hour. Where have you been? So, there you have it. The phrase, post up, has its roots in sports but has since become a versatile term in everyday English slang. Whether you're hanging out, waiting, or positioning yourself strategically in a basketball game, now you know how to use post up like a pro. We hope this explainer has been helpful, and don't forget to practice using it in your conversations. Until next time, happy learning!